Welcome back to my channel. I'm Vamp. I'm a creative. I do a little bit of everything from house projects, DIY crafting, and art. And I started this channel just to archive my projects really, and hopefully inspire someone or teach someone a cool new tip. On this video, I See You is the series name. So these take me 10 to 15 hours. No one wants to watch a 10-hour tutorial. Hopefully this helps. So this particular one is my own eyeball. I needed to do a hazel one and figured why not just do mine. And I love how it came out. So I really hope you enjoy this video. I'll see you on the next one. Enjoy.
And hello. So I'm coming from the editing desk. I just want to explain a few things. If you think you've seen this video before and you're a long-time viewer, you have seen this video. So this project was done, I'd say about 5-6 years ago, and was one of the first projects I put up on YouTube, but the video was entirely too long. And now that my editing is sort of getting, good for me, I just chopped the video down. Basically, you're just going to see the 3 layers that I do. First layer, cure, do a second layer. I always do 2 to 3 layers on these eyeballs. And then I come back on the 3rd day. After it's cured, I do little details and the pupil area, and then I flood coat it. That's basically the whole video. Some of these techniques are really cool. You can do them on countertops and other projects because it's just, using heat gun and manipulating your project. Most of the colors in this are micas and a couple pastes. I have no idea what the colors are though. Again, this was done so many years ago. I'm going to say most of these colors are stone coat micas. That's about all I can tell you. And I think that's it. If you have any questions or comments, I answer everything. I also really appreciate all your support. And that's it. All right. Bye-bye.